Welcome to the final lecture of section 2. In this session, you will learn how to use ChatGPT to create polite, effective follow-up emails that maintain professionalism and actually get replies. Whatever you are demanding a client about a proposal, nudging a colleague for a response, or circling back on a task, ChatGPT can help you to do the right tone, timing, and context. Let's discuss this matter, create follow-up emails with context. We need to know why follow-ups matter. Follow-ups are essential, but they can feel awkward. You don't want to sound harsh. You want to be clear but respectful. And you want to provide just enough context so the reader remembers. This is where ChatGPT shines. It helps you craft professional reminders with the right balance. So this is the solution ChatGPT is giving. Let's go into the demo session. So let's continue the prompt. So I'm here, create follow-up emails with context. So example 1 is client proposal follow-up. So the prompt example here, try to understand, write a professional follow-up email to client named Sarah. Mention we sent the proposal last Tuesday and we'd like to hear her feedback. Keep it polite and not to push your hard. So let's give the prompt. I'm just copying the prompt here. Copy the text. And I'm going to the ChatGPT window here and paste the prompt. Let's see what the output it is generating. You see, it's generating the professional email, a following subject, following up email and proposal sent last Tuesday. So it generates the email format here. So it's a nice demo, but we try to follow here. From the prompt we have shown in the ChatGPT window. So the results benefit, we see that friendly professional greeting, clear context reference, specific actionable request, and closing is perfect. So let's discuss another part, whatever we have tried to understand or visualize the matters here, like internal task reminders. So you can create prompt, specific recipient, context, and desired one, but I have shown. Generate email or AI creates natural sounding message with context. Review and send. So make quick edits and send your follow-up. So prompt tips for better follow-ups, what I understand. Like address tone, make it warmer or add urgency, but still professional, some of the cases. Summarize previous communication, make sure we discussed this last Friday, thing like that. Include attachments or reference, say the document is attached again for the reference. So you can give the prompts, example like write a follow-up referencing our last message as politely if they had a chance to review that topic. So you can make this type of prompt tips for better follow-ups. So reusable format, template, so write a follow-up email reference our last message, what I mentioned. Keep it professional background. So it can type saving, create follow-up in seconds instead of minutes, and works on both internal teams and external clients. So effective improves response rates with perfect tone balance. So what's next? So completed creating follow-up emails with context, what I have shown. In the next lecture, turn meeting notes into summaries that we will discuss. And in section 3, we will automate meetings and notes with ChatGPT. So key takeaways here, like master follow-ups, so create perfect balance between assertive and respectful. Use templates, save time with reusable prompts for common scenarios, and improve response rates. Get more replies with clear context and friendly tone. So see you in section 3. Next.